It's simple time. This is Chef Tatong at sigurado akong magugustuhan nyo ang lulutuin natin today. Kaya let's get cooking!
Simple, simple. Luto na, ha, ha.
So this is inspired by a very popular dish. It's a classic actually, ang chicken a la king. So we're gonna make chicken steaks, of course. So let's start cooking. Meron tayong chicken breast dito. So dalawang chicken breast. So magiging 4 na hati, no? Half by half. Yan. Look at this, nakababad siya sa tubig. Tubig lang na may asin. Ito yung tinatawag natin na brine. Kasi when we cook chicken breast, kalimitan, always tayo nagiging dry. So the secret para ma-maintain yung juiciness niya is to brine it. Sa kada cup ng water, 1 kutsara na asin. Gagawin na natin yung other elements para mabilis tayo. So meron akong 1 egg. Ito yung second natin na gagawin. 1 egg. Very simple. Garlic. Meron akong garlic dito. Magtitira ako ng konti for my sauce. Salt. Ang salt ko naman, hatiin ko ha. May salt ako dito. And may salt din ako sa kabila. So that's around a teaspoon each. And dito na side, lalagyan ko siya ng calamansi. Only calamansi para sumarap naman yung ating... And I'm going to beat that. Just beat everything together. So ito yung aking egg mixture. Let that sit for a while. Sa second ko naman na bowl, no, sa aking platter, meron akong salt. Meron na tayong salt. Lalagyan ko ng flour. Yan. All-purpose flour lang. Then, meron din ako yung cornstarch. Yan. Cornstarch. I combine. May salt na siya, may flour, may cornstarch, and I'm gonna add a little bit of paprika, a teaspoon of paprika, and of course, black pepper. So, ito yung aking flour mixture. Oh, ready na tayo. Sobrang bilis lang na ating preparation. Okay? And I have my chicken here. No? So, ginawa ko dito sa aking chopping board, nilagyan ko siya ng plastic wrap, saran wrap. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice this chicken. No? And I'm going to score. Score, ibig sabihin, konting slice lang. And I just cover it. When I pound it, hindi tatalsik all over yung aking chicken. Diba? And it cooks quickly kasi manipis na siya. And look at that, no? Meron na tayong chicken steaks. And we put it here sa ating egg, no? To marinate. So our chicken is marinating. In the meantime, gagawin natin yung ating sauce. It's so simple. I just have here a cup of cream, all-purpose cream. And remember, kanina may nagtira ako ng konting garlic. I'm just gonna add that garlic. And I have grated cheese. This is around 1/4 cup of grated cheese. You can add more if you want. No? So, 1/4 cup of grated cheese. It's just regular local cheese, cheddar cheese. Yan. Melt lang natin. And to give it a little bit of color and a little bit of flavor, Worcestershire sauce. Yan. Just a teaspoon. Look at that. And of course, we're going to season it with a little bit of salt. Salt. And black pepper. And stir it constantly until the cheese melts and it thickens. Pero we don't want it to boil. Gusto natin na slow simmer lang siya para hindi mag-break yung sauce natin. Smooth pa rin siya. So, you have to be very gentle in making this sauce. So, I just let that simmer for a minute and it will be done. So, our sauce is practically done. I'm just simmering it in a very low heat para mag-thicken ng konti. And my oil is already hot. Get a piece of the chicken. Bathe it in the egg properly. And we just, coat it in our flour. Look at that, no? So for this recipe, you can have more chicken. Up to 3 chicken breasts. And we drop our chicken. Wow, it's frying right away. Manage the heat. Yan. Not overly hot para hindi siya masunog agad. And And our chicken steaks are done. Yan, look at that. Just let the excess oil drip. Beautiful. And we continue with the other steaks. Yan. And our chicken is done. Look at that, ating chicken steak. And look at our sauce, ha. Parang hindi ako happy dito sa thickness ng sauce ko. Gusto ko mas thicker. So, what do we do to thicken the sauce is to mix butter and flour. So, ito, may sobra tayong flour dito. Konti. I just get around a teaspoon and butter. No? Softened butter. No? And I will make this into like a paste. Look at that, ha. Yan. And ito yung gagawin kong pang thickener. So, I just heat up my sauce again. Then I just add it here. Just add as much as you need to achieve the thickness. So look at, kumakapit na siya. It's already very thick ang ating sauce. And we'll be ready to plate. Our cheesy a la king sauce. Look at that. Oh my God. Ang sarap niya. Very rich. Oh, look at that. Here it is, our own version of chicken a la king. Tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Did you enjoy this video? Please follow and subscribe to our official pages. And of course, tag a friend as well.